Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to change the taskbar alignment. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's go. For this, first of all, you have to go to your settings and search for taskbar alignment. Here you can see controls alignment of the taskbar. Click on it. Now you can see here taskbar alignment. And here you can see center. If you want to put your taskbar to the left corner, then click on left. Or if you want to put your taskbar to the center, then click on center. That's it. So this is how you can change your taskbar alignment in laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.